Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can get Photoshop for free legally. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, note that this method is only for Chromebook users. So in order to get Photoshop for free, you have to switch on Chromebook. So in order to get Photoshop for free, open up your web browser and search for Chromebook rewards. Open first website and you will be on this page. Here you will see many rewards that Chromebook is offering. Scroll down and you will see here Adobe Photoshop. You can get 3 months for free at no cost. In order to get it, just click on Get Perk and a pop will appear on your screen. Since I have told you, these rewards are only for Chromebook users, not Windows users, so I can't get this reward. But if you are on Chromebook, you can easily download Photoshop by click on Get Perk button. So that's basically how you can get Photoshop for free legally. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.